Hi, hello, and welcome back to my channel, Share and Smile. There is a saying in the financial world, don't leave money on the table. Looks like we have been leaving money on Treasury's table for quite some time. Thanks to one of the friend from a financial WhatsApp group who brought this information to light that we are leaving money on Treasury's table for quite some time. So this video is about that. So if you need a few more dollars, that can help you, and if you think that you might have left some money on Treasury's table, keep watching. This video is for you, and I'm going to take you step by step how to claim these dollars and get it right into your pocket. Let's jump right into the video. Go to your favorite browser and search for your state. Give your state first. Treasurer Unclaimed Property. The first URL that you're gonna get is the official website for claiming your property. So this is the website that I have got. So I'm going to use my last name and my information to search it. This is the publicly available website. So anybody can search anybody's information, and you just can find out like unclaimed amount for that particular business or any individual. So I have given my last name and my city and my zip code. So this is a wildcard search. So try to give at least the basic information right, so that it will pull the information. Then if you see here, I have two unclaimed amounts. So I'm gonna select both, and I am going to say owner, file claim, and it's asking for information. Whenever somebody says that free money, always don't trust, like there is no free money. But in this case, like this looks like a legitimate money that's yours, that is left on Treasury's pocket. That's what we are trying to claim here. In the WhatsApp group, when the friend messaged saying that there are unclaimed dollars left on Treasury's table, I had my doubts. I posted the message saying that how legitimate is that? He responded to me personally saying that he works for the state and his wife works for the claims department. So that looks pretty genuine to me, and also when I did the search, like obvious that these are genuine people's money which are left at Treasury's pocket. So that's why I tried claiming. So here I am giving some information away towards claiming my dollars. So if you think that you have some money left, go and check it. Then if you believe that these are some dollars that you wanted to claim, please go ahead and claim it. And this money, hard-earned money, is yours, and it's yours for you to enjoy. I hope this works and this helps many people. If you like this content, consider subscribing to my channel so that I can bring this kind of information to you. If you think this information is useful, please share it with your friends. Click that like button if you want this video to reach more people. I'm going to type in my information. So basically this is an individual. So if there is a business claim, you can still give your business name and search. But this is going to be an individual information. So I'm going to give my personal information. Then it's asking for an email address. I think we might get a claim number or something. So I'm giving my email address and my phone number. So these are basic contact information. So then again it's asking for our SSN to make sure that we are the legitimate person. Then it's asking, by default it selected the country as the United States, and we are here to online search, yes, and then I'm selecting my two unclaimed properties. So if you see here, like these two information are from my utility deposit and group policy benefits or claims payments. So I don't know what is the second one they're talking about. But the first one, I know that this is from my this is my previous address, and from my previous address, like when I moved from that address, the utility bill or the utility company for which when I enrolled myself, I paid a deposit. But when I moved, I did not claim that deposit. So when I moved to the new address, like I had to pay that deposit again. but I totally forgot that to claim this deposit. So that's the one. So it says Southern Company Gas, who provides us the natural gas. So basically I am assuming that they are the one who's trying to give me my money back. So I'm happy that I have two unclaimed amount. I am going to click next. Pick the one that they are recommending. Under penalties of perjury, I certify that the information provided on this claim is true and true. So basically we are signing a waiver saying that, hey, whatever information I'm giving, I am the legitimate person who's claiming it. I'm going to click yes, and I'm going to give my, I have to give my first name and last name here. It should match the one which you give in the previous page, and it matches now, and I'm going to click submit. The claim is now complete. It's very simple. So it's a 3-step process to claim a few dollars that might be on the Treasury's table for you to claim. Now that I have got my claim, I started playing around a little bit. So I'm going to search for California. So I'm going to Google, then I'm going to say California unclaimed property. If you go to that, it looks like that's a popular search in Google, so it came first. So I am going to click that. So this is the URL that he gave. You can come here, and if you search, so it's pretty much the same. So you give your name, address, and city, and property ID. So pretty much the same. So I'm also going to do for another popular state. So let's see if the Texas unclaimed. Okay, even that's popular here. So if you see here, like the URL, it's again going to ask for your business name, or then the claim ID. Let's say I'm going to give John, and I'm going to search. Then okay, let's say you are born here in United States, or you moved here to United States, but you have been moving around United States, living in different cities, different states. Go ahead and find the state's treasury website for the respective state and give the city, and try to find out if there is any money left on Treasury's table on your account in the whole tenure of the life that you have lived here. Here, if you see here, I am playing around and trying to find out if there is money, any money left on different names. I am able to find quite a bunch. And the number of entries here is huge. Texas is giving a clear amount how much is left on the table. So you see here, like there are around even $400. Let me quickly search on California. So let's say Kumar, and then okay. So if it is a few dollars, I think there are a few categories for which they are specifying the dollar amount. For some categories, they are saying that whether it is above $100 or above $1,000. So pretty much there is a lot of money with Treasury, which they wanted to give it to the right legitimate person. Did I get my money back? How soon did I get it? I got an email confirmation with the claim number in a couple of days. Then after that, after a week, I got another email confirming that my claim has been approved, and I got a receipt that what is the claim that has got approved. Then after 10 days, like I got a check right in my inbox stating that this is the dollar amount that I have been approved for. I hope you found this video interesting and useful. Share it with all of your friends who are living in United States. Let's claim the amount that's ours, and smash the like button if you are getting your money back. Write your comments if you have any other questions. Thank you.